Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add horizontal line in Google Docs. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to add horizontal line in Google Docs. When you are in Google Docs, just click Insert. After that, horizontal line. Okay, here it's a basic line. If you want to customize the line, you can click on Format. After that, Paragraph Styles, and then Borders and Shading. And here, Position, okay, is the same. Top border and border width 1, border dash, okay, here, border color, blue, and here it's okay, the same. After that, click Apply. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to add line in Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.